next time when you're harvesting, hold the leaf this way and remove it from the stem. You see, that's the correct way. There is something very key in sukuma wiki farming I want to teach you today. I want to train you about today. Take a book and a pen, because this is something that you need to write down. If you are a sukuma wiki farmer, if you want to get into sukuma wiki farming. So many farmers have been unable to harvest even on weekly basis. They are unable to harvest on weekly basis. Their sukuma wiki doesn't go for long before they stop producing. And with all the fertilizers they've used, they have not been unable to get the best of the best harvest, because sukuma wiki is all about leaves. This is my 5th week counting, a month plus, harvesting this sukuma wiki on weekly basis. On weekly basis, sometimes on daily basis, because I'm dealing with direct consumers. And there is one thing I want to show you, I want to teach you, that makes sukuma wiki continue producing and continue bringing more leaves. One, you need to make sure that your sukuma wiki are very clean. Clean in terms of only the growing leaves that are left. Only the growing leaves that are left. For example, in this stem, there are unwanted leaves. Talking of clean is removing all unwanted leaves. You see? Remove all the unwanted leaves. We remove all the unwanted leaves. All the unwanted leaves that we cannot sell, the ones that are diseased, the ones that cannot be sold, the ones that are dirty, remove them. You see? This one cannot be sold. The ones that have pest, the ones that are dirty, remove them. So that is the first step. Remove all the leaves. Any leaf that is unwanted, remove it. That is the first step that you need to observe for you to make sure that you get the best production. Remember, we are after leaves. That's why we are removing these leaves. You see? As also you do the weeding. Then your style of removing the leaves, or your style of harvesting the leaves, also is very, very important. And this is the key thing I want you to look at. For the few weeks, I'm not the one who has been harvesting this sukuma wiki, but now the style of harvesting them is not the way it's supposed to be harvested. For example, I want to show you with this sukuma wiki. You see how this one is harvested? There are some leaves that are left below, and there are others that we are waiting to harvest very soon. So these leaves, we remove them. We remove them. See how this sukuma wiki was harvested. Instead of removing the leaves from the stem, there are some stalks that are left. These are now what you need to remove. You see? Remove the stalks. When harvesting sukuma wiki leaves, don't leave these stalks. Just remove them that way. So next time when you're harvesting, hold the leaf this way and remove it from the stem. You see? That's the correct way. Hold the leaf and remove it from the stem. That's the correct way of harvesting sukuma wiki. Removing from the stem. You see, these ones now are supposed to be removing. This is the cleaning I was talking about. They're supposed to be removed. Remove all the leaves, remove all the stalks, and you see, remove all the leaves and all the stalks that are left. So your sukuma wiki are supposed to be left standing with no stalk, with no lower leaves, and this one will push this one to produce more leaves. If you leave the stalk will continue feeding on the leaves, because the stem is maintaining them, and there will be no or less production of other leaves that we are looking for. So make sure your sukuma wiki is very clean, stem by stem by stem. Remove them. You see, remove all the leaves, that unwanted leaves. Remove all the unwanted leaves. It's as simple as that, and there is nothing else that will stop your sukuma wiki not to produce as many leaves as possible and for the longest time possible, because the only thing that will happen, it will grow taller as it produces more leaves, and in every week or every day you are in the market like me. Hope you've learned something from our today's training. If this is your first time that you're watching me, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together. Bye.